Hello everybody, this is a Lamley showcase. I'm in my hotel room in Albuquerque, New Mexico at the Matchbox Gathering of Friends, and you're looking at 3 cardboard boxes! Sorry to get too excited because inside of these are the Matchbox Gathering exclusive models. 2 dinner models, we'll get to why there are 2, and 1 dealer model, and we are going to unveil them now. As we speak, as you're watching this, at least if you're watching this when I first posted, the attendees at the dinner are seeing these models, and they're getting their dinner model, which is right here, and then they are also going to see what the dealer model is, which they'll pick up tomorrow. All right. You already know because the title is on the video, but let's show these models off. This is the dinner model. It is the Ford Skyjacker Super Duty F350. These models are done by Matchbox for this event. They are always done in kind of an ultra premium, at least by Matchbox standards. So the Matchbox premium is different than the Hot Wheels premium, so they usually basic wheels, that sort of thing. Jim Gallegos, the organizer of the event, is the one who chooses these models, and I think works a little bit on the deco. Michael Giralda, the great Hot Wheels and Matchbox designer who has since retired, works on these as well, and does the Matchbox team. So we will show off this particular model. This is what the dinner attendees will be getting. It is the Skyjacker Super Duty F350. You've seen this. This was unveiled this year. This was released in 2018 in the Matchbox line. You can see it has that kind of, it's I guess you'd call it a Spectre Flame antifreeze color. Has some stripes. It has the classic Matchbox series. I think it's the first Matchbox logo. Very, very cool. Gray wheels, but it does make for a unique model. These models are supposed to stand out, and that is what they do. This is the 16th annual convention. That's why you see the number 16 on the model. Now, I said there are 2 versions. That is because one of the things that Jim offers at this event is the opportunity for those that register for the event early. The first 75 people, the incentive to register, and this is usually around January 1st, they can get a special variation. Sometimes the variation is significant. Other times it's just it might be some additional deco. This case, it is significant. Similar design, similar deco, but you see the differences? Yep. This one is Zamak. It is raw with this. All the same deco is there, only that gold color is gone. It only remains on the Matchbox logo on the sides. Blue trim on the top. Zamak with the red and white stripes. 65th logo, 65th anniversary logo on the hood. By the way, the pictures are up on lamleygroup.com. You can go and check those out. Did them in the whole Lamley style. So if you want these, you got to be attending. I guess if you really want to, you can go to eBay or find a friend who got them, and maybe you can work a deal. Now, I said there's a dealer model. Those are for those that attend the convention. Here it is right here. They are unveiling that tonight. The attendees will get it tomorrow. Jim provided these models for me to preview for you guys to photograph, so that's what I have been doing. All right, can you guess what it is? Well, yeah, you can because it's on the title. I always forget that because I'm filming this first. 1970 Datsun 510 Rally. Same deco as the Skyjacker. Same gray wheels, different wheel style, but it goes with the gray wheels, and you can see everything. All the deco is the same. Matchbox, the classic Matchbox deco on the side. That number 16 with the racing stripe going down the side, and the hood with the 65th logo in gold. Logos that you see on the truck, on the bed cover of the truck, are now on the trunk of the 510. The dinner models, 150 for the standard, only 150 made, 75 for the Zamak one, and then for this dealer model, my guess is 250. It doesn't say here, I don't think. Could be a little more, could be a little less, but it's not a lot. There you go. You're watching this now. There's a whole bunch of Matchbox content that is coming, or you are seeing right now. It just depends on when you're watching this video. 2019 preview video is coming up live. Then it will be posted here on the YouTube channel. Then all kinds of previews that I filmed earlier with Abe Lugo from the Matchbox team. He's going to walk through all of these new models. I'll be posting that over the next few days. So much good stuff. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. Bye.